শুভ দুপুর সবাইকে আমার মামুন just a welcome from Mamun Rashid Library of Pigeons World. So today I'm going to show you about or few of my Archangel. So Archangel is one of the most beautiful pigeon that I love. So I do have the most of the Archangel in here, the gold neck and the black, and also I do have Archangel that I'm trying to breed gold neck with the white. So, and also I do have Archangel with the red neck, the white, the plenty of them, and also there's a few sarur or different kind of Iranian hen. So Archangel, as I say, mentioned to you before. So Archangel is one of my favorite and very peaceful pigeons. Such a, especially the vibrant color is amazing, and have a look at the color. It's a beautiful gold color and the white. The some one actually a bit of dusky. It's not as white as the other, and there's some also here. So those pigeons are here, and also this is a gold neck with a white body. Gold neck with the like a semi-white body. So over the time I'm trying to breed and also trying to breed like a more gold neck plus the more white body. So that is my next mission. And then also the one blondinette hand in here, like a couple of Iranian Kanakini and also a Sarur hen I kept in here because I always do separate between hen or male and female, but all the Archangel here as a pair. So Archangel, the Kanakini is a beautiful pigeon, lovely marking. So this is basically the loft and the breeding cabinet and other stuff, so that they will breed over the time. So that's not actually the time for breeding. So there's a, you can see there's lots of white ones in here. Yeah. And this is the one actually I love. So this is the color, has a bit of reddish with the red neck, and that's a pure white with the red neck. There's a plenty of them. That's the one. And also just letting you know one thing about this Archangel, the more older they get, the better the color is. This is the Iranian hand. So I do have a bit of Iranian Surur hand in here. There's another one, but as I said, I don't keep too many Iranian nowadays because I do have whatever the stock of high flyer is most of the top stock. So, and it's a high flyer pigeon actually is really time consuming because you have to fly them, and plus you have to maintain the dietary things, training, so many things. This is the pigeon actually I was talking about, that I'm trying to bring more gold, like a more gold neck plus the more white body. So it's a very close to white, that one. Does not too far from the white. So hopefully, so my next breeding, that will be cross, this bird will be cross with the white wing, like a one of those bird, the white wing red neck, and hopefully that will bring some the bird that I have been looking for. No, so that's a fantastic bird, they're fabulous. Thank you for watching.